Honey, have you seen this? This is a clean, organized store, 14-piece round food container set for $5. Okay, they have 7 containers, 7 lids, clean, organized store. Honey, this is a steal deal like Holyfield. You get 7 containers, 7 lids for $5. You can't beat this. Absolutely fabulous. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. So today we are at the Dollar Tree in Fairview, New Jersey. Let's see if they're going to have us move our feet to the beat out in these streets. Check this out. All right, so first up, Dollar Tree has these magnetic bag chip 2-piece set. I don't know who's a Philly fans, okay? But honey, Dollar Tree definitely showing out with the Philadelphia Eagle clips. Really, really cute. You get 2. Now, Dollar Tree also have these plates over here. Now, I had seen these during the NFL Super Bowl. Before the Super Bowl, Dollar Tree was selling these. They also have these cups over here. Philadelphia Eagles, $1.25. And honey, if you are looking for some mason jars, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. They have all types of mason jars, which I absolutely love because you can choose which one you desire. Dollar Tree has some really, really nice plates, cups, and bowls. Check this out. So when it comes to the mugs, look at this. This is cute. $1.25. They also have these smoke-like glasses. These are really, really nice. Honey, you ain't got to think twice. They also have these plates right here. Absolutely love this. For some reason, this puts me in a mind of Coco, like Cinco de Mayo. Oh, matter of fact, today is Cinco de Mayo day. Okay? And then they also have the bowls that go right along with it. This is so, so cute. Honey, let's make a whole set, shall we? Really, really nice. Styling and definitely profiling. Now, Dollar Tree also have these trays over here. We had seen these trays last time. This is $1.25. Really, really cool. Honey, look at this. Look at this setup. Okay, are we styling and profiling or what? Okay, really, really cool. Some other cool items that Dollar Tree has is the makeup sponge with case. Look at this, the cactus. Absolutely love this. $1.25. They also have this one as well. Honey, these are new. Fancy pantsy mancy. They also have this one. Absolutely love this. Honey, marketing team, you're doing your thing like a chicken wing. Another item that Dollar Tree has is the sensitive skin makeup remover. Okay, you get 25 of these for $1.25. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here I'm out here delivering, moving my feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets, child. Another item that Dollar Tree has is this pad and roll. This is then flexible cushioning. It protects from painful shoe pressure. I was like, what in the world is this? Provides pain relief. It can be cut to any size. Okay, so if you're wearing those heels, honey, you may want to get these if your feet be hurting on that job all day. And this is $1.25, Dollar Tree way. Another item that pretty much all the Dollar Tree has, well, next to me, is these Basic Beauty Simple Elegance 28 assorted sponges. When I tell you this is a steal deal, honey, they got everybody beat. You know what this puts me in the mind of? Oh gosh, what was the name of the store? Bed Bath & Beyond? Was it Bed Bath & Yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond. You remember they used to send you like those blue and white coupons? Honey, they even have them beat, okay? 28 assorted sponges, steal deal, value pack. Some other cool items that Dollar Tree has is these dispensers and tumblers. These are $5. They have the cups inside. Absolutely love this. This is a steal deal. They have red. They also have the turquoise. They have blue and also green. If you are looking for some fancy pantsy lanterns, Dollar Tree definitely has them. These are $3. Really, really cool. Now, as soon as you come inside, Dollar Tree has the item of the week. They have Happy Mother's Day. These balloons up here, really, really cool. They also have these spring bushes over here that comes in 2 different colors. They have the white and also the red. The vases down at the bottom, absolutely love this. They also have the 2 gift bags, $1.25. along with the Mother's Day handcrafted greeting cards. So I absolutely love these cards, especially the Hello Meow. Honey, this is a steal deal. Now, what about the Mom, You Are My Rainbow? Child, this is the first time I'm seeing this one, Joe. Now, if you say who Joe is, Zena, honey, I just made Joe up. May your Mother's Day be as special as you are. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, child. Honey, it's the bowls at the top for me. 1, 2, 3. Now, Dollar Tree has all these summer items out. Whatever your big heart desire, Dollar Tree is in a place to be, okay? And I'm out here moving my feet to the beat. They have the headbands over here. These are cute, but my fave, I want to say these are better, okay? Now, they also have these nosy glasses. I did rock some of these last year. The ice cream and the watermelon one, still deal. The pineapple, honey, is looking fancy. They also have these woman slides right here. These are $1.25, styling and definitely profiling. They also have these solar hook lanterns. These are $1.25 as well. Love this. Another cool item that Dollar Tree has is the jumbo graduation cards. Now, when I tell you these are really, really cool, these are styling, okay? $3 for the jumbo graduation. Now, honey, if you're giving somebody these jumbo cards, make sure you put some jumbo money, okay? Some duckies, in the words of my grandmother. Now, Dollar Tree also have Celebrate Every Day. This is the confetti cannon. Really, really cool. When I first seen this, I said, what is Dollar Tree doing? These are $3. They also have the sparklers over here. You get 3 for $1.25. Really, really cool. Another cool item that Dollar Tree has is the weekly planners. Organize your week. Absolutely love this. This is $1.25. You see how thick this is? This is really, really cool. They also have these Z-grip pens, ballpoint pens. You get 2 for $1.25 as well. Really, really cool. One thing about Dollar Tree, if you're a person that loves organization, Dollar Tree definitely has it. They're going to have the planners. They're going to have the containers, the storage bins. Definitely in a place to be. Now, Dollar Tree also had the Ultra Fine Point dry erase markers. You get 4 of these for $1.25. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Dollar Tree also have these notebooks right here. These are really, really good. I talk to you guys all the time about writing your goals down. It's either you're going to be working towards someone else's goals or your own goals. These are $5. Absolutely love the elastic that they have here to protect, the pages from getting wet or anything like that. They also have these office boards over here. This one is for the whole month, okay, which is a steal deal like Holyfield. This is $5. They also have the chalk boards over here. This is new, okay? Dollar Tree, honey, you out here being fancy. Now, they also have these sketchbooks over here. These are $5 as well. And then a 5-subject notebook, which is $5 as well. Now, they come in different colors. They have the red and also the blue. Honey, wait, hold on. How about you? Oh, this is new. This is new, okay? Notes, you see the gold, okay? You see it. This is $5. Really, really cool. I don't know how many sheets comes in here, but this is nice. I like this.